Hello, how to evaluate with the calculator? This is 3 power 13 minus 3 power 12. So let's start by expressing 13 as summation of 12 and 1. So we have 3 power 12 plus 1 minus 3 power 12. Now, if you have a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. So this gives us 3 power 12 times 3 power 1 minus 3 power 12. So if you factor 3 power 12, this divides 3 power 12, we have 3. Minus 3 power 12 divides 3 power 12, we have 1. This is 3 power 12 times 3 minus 1, this is 2. So from here, you have 3 power 12 times 2, which is the same thing as having 3 power 12 is the same thing as having 10 plus 2, then we have times 2. We go back to the same identity, a power x plus n equals a power x times a power n. So this gives us 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 2. So this means we have 3 power 10 times 9 times 2. What is the value of 3 power 10? This is 3 power 5 times 2 times 9 times 2, which is equals 3 power 5, 3 power of 2 times 9 times 2. Remember, a power xy equals a power x to the power of y. So from here, you have 3 power 5 to the power of 2 times 9 times 2. And 3 power 5 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 2 to the power of 2 times 9 times 2. This is 9, this is 27, 81, 243. You have 243 power 2 times 9 times 2. So 243 power 2 equals 243 times 243. This is 9, 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 times 3, 12 carry over 1. 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17, 7 carry over 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 2, 4. So let's add up everything together. 9, 4, 20, 19, 5, 94, 9. So what we are having here is simply 594, 9 times 9 times 2. So let's start by multiplying 594, 9 times 9. So we have 9 times 9, 81. We have 1 carry over 8. 9 times 4, 36 plus 8, 44. 4 carry over 4. 9 times 0, 0, 0 plus 4, we have 4. 9 times 9, 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 5, 45 plus 8, we have 53. And this multiplies to 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 4. 8, 2 times 4 again. 8, 2 times 1. 2, 2 times 3. This gives us 6 2 times 5, 10. So what we are having is simply 1,062,882. So this is our answer for 3 power 13 minus 3 power 12. That's 1,062,882. And we have achieved this with our calculator, guys. So this is it. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you and see you in our next video. Goodbye.